You wouldn't know it from the calm conditions. I mean, take a look at this morning's map of the ocean. Not a single storm brewing. Normally, we would have had about 8 named storms and 3 major hurricanes by now. We've only had 6 named storms and 1 hurricane. CBS News meteorologist Rob Marciano says a lot of warm water at the start of the season had many predicting a busy year.
We've got that warm water, but there's atmospheric things happening that are limiting these storms from developing. Very big subtropical high, larger and stronger than usual. A lot of sinking air, very stable air here. That coupled with dust coming off the Sahara, and a lot of that's been going on. And we have shear as well. All of this is limiting tropical storm development.
The long-range forecast does suggest a hurricane could form sometime next week. The next named storms will be Gabrielle and then Umberto. Experts say climate change may be reducing the number of storms, but increasing the strength of those that do develop. Tony, no complaints from me about less storms than predicted.
So
totally
far,
fine with that.
Yeah, I agree. So far, Shannon, as we mentioned, very quiet. But again, we're halfway through. We still have half the season, the other second half to get through. It runs through the end of November, though now through at least mid-October, things can still be rather busy, though. In the short term, there's nothing out there in the Atlantic. We'll always keep you posted. Better part of the day featuring, well, a lot of clouds, but mainly dry. There were a couple of sprinkles along the South Shore, but that was about it. Within the last few hours, we've had more of some partial sun through the cloud cover right now. It's not bad out there, even though it is cooler than average. Mid and upper 60 now, 60s in most areas, 67 in Providence, upper 60s Newport, and looking at 67 in New Bedford. RIFC game this evening. Weather looks fine. We're not going to be dealing with any kind of downpours or storms. Just cool and dry, varying between partly and mostly cloudy. Temperatures by 10 p.m. already cooling back to the upper 50s to around 60. So we'll continue with that partial clearing this evening. Cool, and we'll keep things dry right on through the overnight hours. Super nice tomorrow. Sunshine, warmer and dry. Warmer meaning mid to upper 70s easily. Some spots may briefly get up to around 80. What I'd like to call a great lunch outdoors kind of a day. Even Friday looks nice. Now, it is a little cooler, but a fair amount of sunshine on Friday. We'll keep decent weather through Saturday, running the chance of some showers on Sunday. Trying to nail down the timing. We're kind of leaning towards like a late afternoon, early evening on Sunday. Check back with us. It's only Wednesday. In the meantime, quiet across New England. The heavier rain, as expected, staying offshore with an area of low pressure, but this came close enough to throw back some clouds, and there were a few sprinkles along the South Shore, but it was a mainly dry day. As this continues to pull away, look at all the real estate to our west where it's clear and dry, and that is our weather for the next several days. So we'll get in close and we'll walk you through the forecast, take you through this evening and overnight with gradual clearing, temperatures falling through the 50s. This is 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, starting off low to mid 50s. Rapid warm up with plenty of sunshine, a real nice day. About 77 for a high, so very nice tomorrow evening around, this is about 9-10 o'clock, looking good, clear skies. Move ahead now to Friday. More sunshine now. It's a little cooler, but otherwise a very nice day. We're thinking about 73 Friday afternoon. If you've got plans to be out Friday evening, Friday night, this is 9 o'clock. Not bad. Clear skies, low to mid 60s. And we move ahead to Saturday morning with sunshine. Starts off at 58. Should get up into the low 70s with a mix of clouds and sunshine. Anything outdoors for Saturday, it looks okay. Tomorrow morning, very cool early at 53, but by 11 a.m. it's already 71. Looking at sunshine for tomorrow afternoon, temperatures topping out mid to upper 70s. Real nice day. Here's a snapshot of the high temps. And notice the South Shore and the beaches with sunshine, pretty mild as well. And the reason why, with a north breeze and no sea breeze, we're looking at beach temperatures to be mild as well. 7-day forecast looking good for Friday. Not bad for Saturday. Partly cloudy skies on Sunday. Chance of either a late day or early evening shower and a high of 73.